Should you lean bulk or dirty bulk? If you're familiar with my content, then you know I am a lean gains guy. Lean bulking is where you eat at a small caloric surplus to enable muscle growth, but prevent excess fat gain. Of course, you will still gain some fat, but minimal. Dirty bulking is where you eat big to get big. I have two reasons why you should do lean bulking and not dirty bulking. Reason number one, muscles grow very slowly. A beginner training the right way and eating the right way can expect to gain about 1 kg of muscle per month. An intermediate can expect to gain a half of that. An advanced person can expect to get a half of what an advanced person gets. That simply means you cannot force feed muscles. Eating big will get you big, but most of that is going to be fat. Reason number two is approximately, it takes about 5,500 calories in surplus to grow 1 kg of muscle. These 5,500 calories in surplus must be spread across the time it takes to grow 1 kg. For a beginner, that's about 1 month. For an intermediate, that's about 2 months. For an advanced person, that's about 4 months. Talking of the beginner, let us take these 5,500 calories and divide them by 30. We are going to get about 183 calories in surplus per day. Those are very few calories in surplus and you will still gain some fat. What does science say about this? A study done by Garth and colleagues took 39 strength athletes of similar age and weight and randomly divided them into two groups. The first group was given a high caloric diet of about 3,600 calories per day. The second group was given a moderate caloric diet of 2,900 calories per day. Both groups trained the same way, and this study took 10 weeks. The results were interesting. Both groups gained strength as expected. They also had similar muscle growth. Both groups gained some fat, but the high caloric group gained significantly excess fat. This simply means when you consume more calories than you need to grow muscle, whatever remains on top will be stored as fat.